Advanced fix solutions for Helldivers 503 error. 1. Check real-time server health. Instead of just waiting, check Helldivers 2 server status trackers, SteamDB, Down Detector, official Arrowhead forum/Discord. If servers are up but unstable, switching regions may help. See below. 2. Force region change. Some 503 errors happen if the matchmaking server in your region is overloaded. On PC, Steam, launch with a command line option. You can see the code in our conversation history. Try different regions to bypass overloaded ones. On PS5, change your DNS region in network settings. Example, switch to EU or NA servers. Task 3, adjust MTU settings. PS5 PC. Go to network settings, manual setup. Set MTU equals 1473 instead of default 1500. This reduces packet fragmentation and often stabilizes connections when servers are stressed. 4. Use alternate DNS for faster server routing. Set DNS to Google 8.8.8 and 8.4.4, Cloudflare 1.1.11 and 1.1 Quad 9, 9.9999.112.112.112. Faster DNS equals less lag in reaching the game servers. Nasher 5. Force new sessions like cache clear. Quit Helldivers, restart Steam PS5 relaunch. On PC, also clear Steam download cache. Steam settings, downloads, clear download cache. This forces the game to request a fresh session from servers. 6. Limit background traffic. Disable cloud sync, torrents, downloads, updates, Discord overlays. On router, enable QoS, quality of service, and give Helldivers highest priority. 7. Temporary workaround, solo boot. Start game offline mode, enter a session, then re-enable network. Some players reported this bypasses the 503 handshake issue during peak hours. With these network tweaks, region switching, cache flush, you can often bypass 503 faster instead of just waiting for servers.